6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube. Today we have another unboxing. This time it's the Nreal Air AR glasses. So this is something that I've seen on YouTube and many people are amazed by what this product is actually about. I really wanted to test this, so I purchased one. It's not available in the EU, only available in Japan, USA and UK at the moment of recording this video, but I'm afraid they will start making this available for the rest of the world soon, but there is no words from Nreal as of yet. This product, what it does is something that I've never seen before. It's not a VR glasses, it's a AR glasses. So it will be just a screen in front of you around 201 inch, like from 4 to 6 meters away from you. So it's like a really nice experience, in my opinion, something that not many of you have seen. Well, let's get to the unboxing of it. Here there is a tab. I pull the tab off, so you just open it this way. All right. Here we have the glasses, I'm afraid, in its special pouch. Some documentation in here, and this opens this way. You see all these nose clips, and you have also something else in here. So you open it this way. Oh yeah, it's the darkness. Well, you have also prescription glasses here, and you have also this clip to clip on the Nreal glass so that you don't see anything through on the other side. This is to make it pitch black. So let's put this away and let's get to the crown jewel. All right. Whoa. Look. This is a regular glasses. As you can see, it looks almost similar. Can you see? Almost similar. It's really nice. Well, it is heavier than this one. This is just a plastic cheap laser glass. But let me put it on. It feels nice. Thumbs up for this. So as you can see what it looks like, you have to take these tabs off, and here are the screens. These are Sony screens that are inside of here, and you have also a sensor here, as you can see. And for the rest of it, it's pretty basic, but you can feel that there is technology in here. You have even speakers on the left and right side here, and you have some buttons here. And this is the spot where you put in the Type-C cable. So let me put this aside. Let me see what else is in here. I don't know what this is. And you have your Type-C cable as well in here. So it says you just plug it on your glasses and that's it. It feels awesomely nice in here. You can see this is some Alcantara or something. This is really nice, high quality. I like the protection bag of it as well, really nicely made. So I will use this on my laptop. Well, try it out on my laptop because it should do mirroring, air casting. So, and then I can also use it on my Steam Deck, and also on Android device it works without any adapter. However, if you go and you want to use this on an iOS device, let's say an iPad, just a regular iPad, an iPhone, and etc., stuff like has to go through HDMI input or an adapter for your iOS device. You will need to purchase a separate adapter, which is at this moment not available, which is a bummer. I couldn't order one, but maybe I won't need one because I have an iPad, iPad Pro here, and this one goes through the Type-C connector, so I should normally not need any adapter. I should just plug it in and it should work. However, if you want to experience the 201-inch screen effect on this one, you have to use an Android device, because it is kind of made for Android device, and it's also working with an iOS device through an adapter. If you use an adapter, I'm afraid you will be having a 130-inch screen in front of you. That's not small, but 201 or 130 is a difference. So yeah, there is a limitation if you're using it on an iOS device. So other than that, really nice build quality, as I said, guys, and I'm afraid I will be using this lots and lots, because I love technology that is new and something that's groundbreaking like this. In my opinion, it will be a groundbreaking system technology, because you can also, when you put it on, like, let me try it again. I put it on and I can see through. But that's why you need, if you are in a really bright environment, you can use these to clip on there. So this clips on here in front of it. Actually, you can always keep it on here if you don't want any scratches. But this surface, I couldn't see it, so it's edged. Can you see it? There is on here, there is a gap. You see? But this one doesn't have a gap. It's just one layer. Same height as this latch here. So it's just one piece. So keep that in mind. It will scratch if you put it this way. That's what I mean. So you will have to always put it on this side, or just clamp it in and put it on this side. Or, as they meant for it, you just put it in here, which will avoid any scratches. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this unboxing of this Nreal Air AR glasses. I hope you liked it. I will do more in-depth review of this. I will connect it to my laptop, see what kind of effects it's give me, and also on my Steam Deck, which a lot of people are using this for. Hit the thumbs up, guys, if you liked the video. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more unboxing videos like this in the future. Bye!